Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to stop Microsoft Teams from showing away. So, is Microsoft Teams constantly changing your status to away even though you're still working? If so, this quick trick can help you stay marked as available. So, start by opening Microsoft Teams, then sign into your account. Now, on the left side, click Meet. Now, if your version of Teams doesn't have a Meet tab, open the calendar instead. So once you're here, start a new meeting. So you can click Meet Now to create an instant meeting or create a meeting link and join it yourself. So click Create a meeting link, then click Create and copy link. So right here, click Join. So after joining, you can mute your microphone and turn off your camera. So click Join Now. So, since you're the only one in the meeting, there's no need to keep either of them on. At this point, Teams will automatically set your status to in a meeting. So, to change it, click your profile picture in the top right corner, then select your current status and choose Available. So, your status should now stay as available while you remain in the meeting. So, preventing Teams from automatically switching you to away because of inactivity. So keep in mind that this is a workaround, not an official Microsoft feature. If you leave the meeting or sign out of Teams, your status will return to its normal behavior. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Please like and subscribe to our channel.